Imagine walking through life with all your hopes tied to a single path. That's what the idiom, "put all your eggs in one basket," warns against. This idiom means relying entirely on one plan or idea for success. It suggests diversification to avoid risk. The phrase is rooted in the simple imagery of carrying eggs. If you drop the basket, you lose everything. Its origin dates back to the 17th century, highlighting the risk of concentrating resources in one place. Diversifying your efforts is the lesson here. If one idea fails, you have others to fall back on. Consider a farmer with all his crops in one field. A single storm could ruin his entire yield. That's putting all your eggs in one basket. Now, imagine investing all your savings in one stock. If the company fails, so do your finances. Diversification is key. Think of a student applying to only one university. If rejected, their educational plans might crumble. Spread your chances for better outcomes. A business relying on one major client risks collapse if that client leaves. It's wiser to have multiple clients. Even in relationships, focusing all your emotional energy on one person can be risky. Balance is essential for stability. In creative pursuits, an artist only painting one style might miss other opportunities. Experimenting with various styles can lead to broader success. So remember, while all your eggs in one basket might seem efficient, spreading them out keeps your dreams safer. Diversify and thrive. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more language tips and tricks. See you in the next video.